everybody, I'm Kim, and today we are going to introduce our brand new gift card size envelope die, which looks exactly like this. And then we also have a liner piece that can go to line the edge of your envelope. So let's get started. Now, if you've never worked with a die, you definitely want to have your flush cutters ready to go in order to dismantle your die. The die comes a single piece like that, and if you notice this little connector piece right here, you need to dismantle that in order to use that completely separate, so you've got your full die. And to do that, you can twist the die a little bit like this, but sometimes it leaves a little metal burr, is what I like to call it. So you do want to dismantle that piece. I'm just going to take this out. My flush cutters are perfect for that. They are flush on one side, and if you nest that right up against that and snip, that's going to remove that little metal connector piece. And that's what you want to do to create two separate pieces so you can run it through the machine. Now, this is a gift card size, so it's a little bit on the smaller size, so you can use a smaller platform in order to use this. And then this would be our envelope liner piece. So let's show you what I did. I already have everything pre-cut out, and then we are going to make a quick little envelope, gift card size, and it's got your envelope liner piece all set and ready to put a little fun gift card in there and ready to go. All right, so I ran my cardstock through the machine on this size, and I used green. And then I wanted to show you something also, because this outline is going to cut out. These become the score line to which you'll fold your envelope up and fold it. Now, there's a lot of controversial about which way do you fold. Do you fold inward or do you fold that way? It's really up to you on what you want your folds to look like. And so I'm going to fold this one both ways. Actually, I've got this one over here. I put two of them. I folded different ways so you can check out what that looks like. Now, it's not so different on solid color paper, but if you've got a print that's double-sided, well, that one's a single-sided print. If you have a print that's double-sided, you want to make sure that you lay your die down correct to where you get which print you want on the inside versus which print that you want on the outside. But I wanted to show you folding it either way. It is completely up to you on what type of look that you want. So this particular one, I'm going to fold it on the inside, and I'm just going to give each one a little fold right here, and then use my Teflon bone folder to go ahead and crease it just a little bit more. I use Teflon because it does not leave a mark on any sort of paper, dark paper especially, and it's very handy like that. So I'm just going to bring my little piece of paper right here, and so I'm going to apply adhesive on this end, fold it forward, so that creates my little envelope. Whoops, I'll make sure my tape runner is working. And then I'm going to fold that up, seal it with my fingers, and just do one more with the Teflon. My envelope is ready to go. And then you can also put a little magnet on both sides so it could hold itself shut right there. Now, the liner piece, I ran this through the die cut machine, and it has a crease, a score fold right there too. So I'm going to take that and fold it as such, give that one little piece. So this is ready to go inside. And how am I going to do that? So I'm going to line it up like that, make sure that it folds appropriately, and I'm only going to apply glue adhesive on this particular size, because if you notice when you open and close the envelopes, you need it to shift just a little bit. If you were to apply adhesive here and here, your envelope's going to be kind of folded open and not open completely, and we want it to open completely. So let's put our adhesive right there. Let's fold that over and then open it up. And then your card, your gift card size envelope is all, ready to go. All right, you enjoy making your envelopes.